Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify not playing tracks or Spotify not playing music on iPhone or iPad after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So just simply go back and here you can see the App Store. So just simply tap on App Store. Here you can see search Spotify, tap on it. Here you can see Spotify, tap on it, and if you have any update of Spotify, just simply update it and fix your problem. Go back, and if this solution is also not working, then we move to another is open Spotify app. So just tap on this profile icon, tap on setting and privacy, scroll to the bottom, and here you can see log out. So just simply log out your Spotify and then log into your Spotify. So just simply log out, and now you can see log in your Spotify. So I am continue with Apple. So just wait for a few seconds until the Spotify is logged in. Wait for a few seconds, and now you can try to play your music and fix your problem. So if the solution is also not working, then we move to another is open the Spotify app and then close it. Open the Spotify app and then close it. If the solution is not working, then we move to another is go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, scroll to the bottom and find Spotify, tap on it. Here you can see offload app. Just simply tap on offload app and then reinstall it to fix your problem. If this solution is also not working, then we move to another is check your network connection. So just simply tap on settings, tap on Wi-Fi. If you're connected with Wi-Fi, just simply turn it off, and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it on back to fix your problem. Go back, and here you can see airplane mode. So just simply tap on airplane mode and turn it on, and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it off back, and then go to general, scroll to the bottom, and here you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Here you can see reset, and here you can see reset network settings. So just simply tap on reset network settings to reset the network settings only without losing any data. So if all this solution is not working, then we move to another is restart your iPhone. So just simply tap on restart settings. Here you can see general, and here you can see shutdown. Tap on it, tap on slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we contact with Spotify helpline and fix our problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.